TV.
What's up? Welcome back to this YouTube channel, and it will be about the lost and found Chicago's Retro 1's Jordans. So you guys, hey, I got the raffle, and yes, I put it in for an exclusive access at JD. So at JD, I'm here now. I'm about to go pick them up. Just arrived in. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what they sent over to me. They sent this over to me, and I got them in on the app. So let's go get it. So you guys, I am inside of JD right now. I don't know what's going on with the camera, but hey, in here, gonna pick them up right there. This is the order tent, and we'll see what that's about. So yeah, I finally made my way to the front of the line, and this is moment of truth right here as she's opening up the box, and you definitely about to see the sauce. This is heat right here, and I'm telling you, this have to be the shoe of the year. Nothing can top this shoe here. She was just checking them for marks or anything on the shoe, and I really appreciate it. What's up? So I just copped the J's, and they secured the bag. So I just secured them, and we finna see what the hype about. I'm gonna give you guys an open box review. If you guys seen those, but she just showed me, that was really the exclusive drop. I did have some technical difficulties with the app, and so I don't know what was going on. Luckily, I did screenshot all of the information that I needed, and I secured this for personal. So we're back at home from JD, and since we're back, I'm about to do the official unboxing. I know you guys seen where she kind of like showed it, take it out and show me how they look. They do it for every release, so you know how they look when they first gave it to you, and so you won't come back and say, hey, I had these problems and these damages was on this shoe, can I please get a return? I don't think they do returns on retros. I only think they do exchanges for them. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So if you are a regular sneakerhead or just someone that knows shoes in general, if you know any other box of Retro 1s that come out, they come with the black box. But on this one in particular, this is the box, this is the bagging, this is from JD Sports, and you take this out and they have a new boxing packaging of the box. So these usually would say 1985 here, but these, what I picked up was the Chicago OG 1985 remake. So this is the 2022 version. They remade the ones that came out in 1985, so they will not have it here. So as you guys look at the box, they have it like it was made back in the days. And let's take this off. And so they had right here, while just taking off, they had where I when I won the release, they put mine to the side, so they knew who was coming to pick it up. Here I got a size 10. These are for personal. I was thinking about reselling them, but no, these are for personal, and they have them where back in the day they was price point as $64, and they was on sale. And yeah, the vintage box, even at the back. So now that you guys seen the detail on the box and on the outside, let's get to the fun stuff that's in the inside of this box. So the inside of this box, you have the packaging like this, like So they have it, and I am a sucker for packaging. So when I seen that this is how the package look in the inside, I seen like detailed shots online, I knew for sure I wanted the shoe. I've been tracking the shoe for about, think about 6 months after when they first announced that it was going to come out. I start to bookmark and do a lot of research on this shoe, and yeah, I just knew for sure I was going to win. Now, did I know that I was going to win these from JD? No, I did not. I did not hit on sneakers. Hey, but shout out to everybody that did hit on sneakers. And yeah, so this is the shoe. And it come with a 2 black and also white. So they got a black one and a white shoestring. You can switch it and alternate those out. They came, instead of the shoe horn, it came with a shoe regular with paper, how they used to do it. And it also comes with the other packaging of here. Let me find it. Now, this is what I was actually looking for. As you guys can see, I was looking for this piece because I honestly did not know if that was going to put this piece in the box, really. But when I seen the details, because this is just like, it's great marketing, but also it's a piece that say, hey, I got a piece of a vintage piece. And I love how they put all this packaging together just to commemorate the 1985 Jordan, the Air Jordan 1's. It was the first pair to release, and they also did a vintage, already distressed, worn look on this part of it, and I think that was very dope as well. And just overall, this shoe, I would have to say, they did their thing on here, because even at the back, it's got like already worn look at the very bottom of it. So I say that I have to give this shoe a 10 out of 10. I do recommend you guys want to pick this up, and they're going to be probably price pointing very high on reseller apps and also in reseller shops. So be on the lookout for that. Now, if I had to buy this off resale, I probably would have just left it alone. But since I did cop this one, I definitely said that if I did cop, I really want to go and look for the original 1985 pair. I don't care if it's a left or right. Just one of the pieces from that first release. I would never wear them. I just always would keep them in like a trophy showcase in like the shoe room or whatever. But that's something that I really want. It'll be a very sentimental piece, and just something that's just very dope and retro. I think that is something that I look forward to, and I seen that other sneakerheads on YouTube was going over and getting the original 1985 retro ones somewhere else, and I think that those people was price point that is very high. Is something that you cannot lowball or get for the cheap. So be on the lookout for that to see if I do pick that up, and I will make a new video about that. So yeah, it was just, I would say overall, shout out to JD, because without JD I wouldn't have these shoes, and without them giving me exclusive access to this shoe, I wouldn't have it. So if you do want exclusive access, I know for sure for this particular shoe, they wanted me to have 2,000 stasher points to be considered for exclusive access. For this, I had to use those points to be able to receive this shoe. And if I did not use it, then I wouldn't have the shoe. But since I did use the points, I have to build back up my status points there, and I think you can use them at JD, Finish Line, in Champs, Foot Locker, something like that, and Foot Action. They all are the same entity of people. And yeah, so the next drop, I think I am done picking up retros for a good minute. I have a lengthy like archive list, and on that archive list I want more shoes that previous came out already, and I am just ready to build up that collection of shoes that I wanted in the past that I didn't pick up, or that I slept on and then entering any raffles in, anything like that. Now the only new pair that I would cop would be the Amiri and Jordan collab retro 4s. So that's something on my hit list. I never had a retro 4 before, and I am about done picking up retro 1s for the moment. This would be my 4th pair of retro 1s, and I think I am about done. I have the Chicago patent leathers, and I also just caught the Chicago's 98s. So yeah, I think that's about it. So that brings me to closing with this video. So if you do want to see how I style this shoe here, be sure to follow me on Instagram. It will be in the description box below. It also will be in the video right here. And you also can just smash that like button, like, comment, and subscribe to Plug In TV. And on this segment of Fashion Time, I mean, I think everybody was raging over this shoe. So be sure to check it out. I will leave it down in the description box below to the link from Goat StockX if people really shop on there. But yeah, just to all the people that do that will have this shoe, I will leave it in the description box below so you can go cop your pair too. So hey, thanks for watching.